Google Pixel 7a. If Google maintains its tradition, we could see a cheaper version of the Pixel 7 known as the Pixel 7a launch in the spring or summer time frame. Rumors about the Pixel 7a are scarce right now, but developer Kuba Wojciechowski says he found details possibly pertaining to the Pixel 7a in the Android codebase, suggesting that some fairly significant upgrades are in store. Wojciechowski's findings indicate the Pixel 7a could have a screen with a higher refresh rate of 90 Hz and wireless charging, two characteristics that are noticeably absent from the Pixel 6a. Leaked renders from Hemmerstoffer that were once again published on SmartPre also suggest the Pixel 7a will have a very similar design as its predecessor.
The Pixel 7a could also include the same Tensor G2 processor that powers the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, as well as a camera setup that includes wide and ultra-wide sensors. That's if the Pixel 7a follows in the same footsteps as the Pixel 6a, of course. The Pixel 7a is also believed to have surfaced on the Vietnamese website Zing News, which suggests it will have a 6.1-inch screen and a design that's very similar to the Pixel 7's, even down to the camera bar. Google's A-series Pixel phones are seriously impressive from a value standpoint. That's why the Pixel 6a has received a CNET Editor's Choice Award and is our favorite Android phone under $500. If Google manages to address the Pixel 6a's very few shortcomings while maintaining the same price of $449, it'll be an even more formidable challenger to Samsung in the affordable phone market.